Ever wondered how digital marketing works? Picture it as the bustling marketplace of the digital era, a place where businesses promote and sell their products or services in the vast expanse of the internet. It's the heartbeat of modern commerce, pulsating with potential and opportunities. It's a key driver of success in today's digital age, fueling businesses to reach new heights. Don't be daunted though. Digital marketing is not as complicated as it may seem. It's a matter of understanding the basics. At its core, digital marketing can be broken down into several key components. Let's kick things off with search engine optimization, or SEO. This is the science and art of improving your website's visibility on search engines like Google. It's about understanding what people are searching for, the answers they seek, and the type of content they wish to consume. Ensuring your website is accessible, with relevant content that's well-linked and uses appropriate keywords, is the key to SEO. It's the silent workhorse of digital marketing, churning away in the background to boost your online presence. Next up we have pay-per-click advertising, commonly known as PPC. This is a model where advertisers pay a fee each time one of their ads is clicked. Essentially, it's buying visits to your site rather than gaining those visits organically. Google Ads is one of the most popular forms of PPC, allowing you to pay for top slots on Google's search engine results pages. Then there's social media marketing, the use of social media platforms to connect with your audience to build your brand, increase sales, and drive website traffic. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Pinterest each offer unique ways to engage with your audience and share your brand story. Content marketing, on the other hand, is all about creating and sharing valuable free content to attract and convert prospects into customers and customers into repeat buyers. This could include blogs, videos, infographics, and more. The trick is to educate your audience to the point that they see the value in what you're offering. Last, but certainly not least, we have email marketing. This is the highly effective digital marketing strategy of sending emails to prospects and customers. It's your chance to speak directly to them, in their inbox, at a time that is convenient for them. Effective marketing emails convert prospects into customers and turn one-time buyers into loyal, raving fans. Each component plays a crucial role in reaching the target audience and converting them into customers. And that, my friends, is the magic of digital marketing. Now, you may wonder, why is a digital marketing strategy so important? Well, let me tell you. A clear and well-defined digital marketing strategy is like the compass guiding you through the vast digital landscape. In this fast-paced digital era, your business is competing with millions of others for the attention of potential customers. A robust digital marketing strategy helps you cut through the noise and reach the right audience. It's about understanding who your customers are, where they hang out online, and how you can engage them effectively. Moreover, a good strategy doesn't just focus on attracting attention, it's about converting that attention into action. It guides you in crafting compelling content that resonates with your audience, encouraging them to click, share, subscribe, or make a purchase. Ultimately, a well-executed digital marketing strategy drives sales and fosters growth, transforming your business from a mere player into a powerhouse. A well-planned digital marketing strategy is the roadmap to your business's success. So, what have we learned about digital marketing today? We've unveiled the world of digital marketing, a realm where businesses and consumers converge in a dynamic digital dance. We've understood that it's more than just posting on social media or sending emails. It's a strategic blend of various components that, when utilized effectively, can catapult a business to unprecedented heights. We delved into the core components of digital marketing, each serving its unique function: search engine optimization, or SEO, which makes your business more visible to the online world; content marketing that tells your brand story and engages your audience; social media marketing, which humanizes your brand and builds a community; email marketing, a powerful tool to nurture leads and maintain customer relationships; and finally, analytics, the compass that guides your digital marketing journey, ensuring you're on the right track. We emphasize the importance of having a robust digital marketing strategy. It's not just about being online, it's about being in the right place, at the right time, with the right message. A well-thought-out strategy becomes your roadmap, leading you to your business goals while avoiding the pitfalls of digital marketing. The realm of digital marketing is vast and constantly evolving. It's an exciting journey, one that requires continuous learning, experimenting, and adapting. But remember, the first step is understanding the basics. Remember, understanding digital marketing is the first step towards leveraging its power for your business's success. So, start exploring this exciting world today.